How to remove switch to production build on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will then see the Account Center option. Tap on that and further, under the Account Settings tab, tap on the Show Your Profile is Verified option you see there. Now, if you see the Switch to Production Build pop up instead of this type of interface, then firstly, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the application further. Also, go ahead and launch the settings application and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Instagram application and tap on it. Now tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And now, if you go back to Instagram's Account Center and then tap on the Show Your Profile is Verified option, then you should no longer see the Switch to Production Build pop up. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.